Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, that is multiplication. Students, the sign of multiplication is this. Okay, now students, these are our learning objectives. These are our learning objectives. Now class, let's start the chapter. Look at the pictures carefully. Look at the picture carefully. Class, these are kites. और kites क्या है ये पेयर्स में. ओके 1 2 इनका अलग पेयर है और इनका अलग एक पेयर है. नाउ देयर आर 3 ग्रुप्स. यहाँ पर कितने ग्रुप्स हैं क्लास? 1 2 3 ग्रुप्स हैं और 2 ग्रुप्स 1 2 3 ग्रुप्स हैं और 2 काइट्स इन ईच ग्रुप. एक ग्रुप में कितने काइट है? 2 ग्रुप्स ऑफ काइट्स विथ 2 काइट्स इन ईच ग्रुप. यहाँ पर एक ग्रुप में कितनी काइट्स है? 2. एडिंग देम रिपीटेडली. नाउ 2 2 2. Now 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. There are 6 kites. This is repeated addition. Class, हम multiplication को क्या बोलते हैं? This is a repeated addition. Now complete the following table. Now class, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16 and 16 plus 4 20. Okay. Now class, you can do like this also. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 5s are 30. You can do like this also. Now 1 2 3 4. 3 4s are 12. And आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. Both are same. The product क्या होगा हमारा? Same होगा. Answer क्या होगा हमारा? Same होगा. See 1 2 3. 6 3s are 18. Now 6 plus 6 12 and 12 plus 6 18. Answer is same. Okay. Now what is multiplication? Class C. The repeated addition of the same number. The repeated addition of the same number can be done by multiplication. Can be done by multiplication. So multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. See, one boy has 2 legs. Okay. Now 3 boys have. अब एक बॉय के कितने लेग्स है? 2. और 3 बॉयज के? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6 legs. Understand? Repeated addition of the same number. यहाँ पर क्या है? Same numbers है. Okay. In multiplication, see, it is written as 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now we can say that 3 times 2 is 6. One more example. A flower had 5 petals. एक फ्लावर के पास 5 पेटल्स हैं. सी 5 फ्लावर्स हैं. 5 फ्लावर्स. अब 5 फ्लावर्स में कितने पेटल्स होंगे? पेटल्स होंगे. नाउ 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20 plus 5 25. So 5 flowers have 25 petals. Okay. Now in multiplication it is written as 5 5s are 25. Now we can say that 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Now, to find the product means to multiply. To find the product means multiply. The word times refers to multiplication. जो time words है वो क्या refer करता है? Multiplication को. Multiplication is an operation which gives you a third number. See, 6 multiplied by 6. Third number क्या होगा हमारा? 36. Understand class? Now come on the exercise 7.1. Write the multiplication fact for each repeated addition one has been done for you. Now class, see, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 and 8 plus 2 10. See, and we can write it like this. 2 5s are 10. Now see, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 6 24. And we can write it 6 multiplied by 1 2 3 4, 4 is equal to 24. Understand? Similarly, 1 2 3 4, 4 times 5, 5 times 4 is equal to 5 4s are 20. Understand? Rest of the parts do yourself class. Now, properties of multiplication. What is the properties of multiplication? See class, when a number is multiplied by 0, the product becomes 0. हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा क्लास? 0. अब चाहे वो कितना ही नंबर का डिजिट हो, 2 नंबर, 3 नंबर या 4 नंबर. ओके. Now, such as 6 multiplied by 0, 0, 146 multiplied by 0, 0, 53 multiplied by 0, that is 0. Now, when a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा द प्रोडक्ट होगा द नंबर itself. वही नंबर जिस हम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं 1 को, तो हमारा क्या होगा? प्रोडक्ट नंबर होगा जिससे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ठीक, 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 4, 32 multiplied by 1 32, 156 multiplied by 1 156. Now, when 0 is multiplied by any number, 0 से हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं by any number, the product becomes 0. ओके, या तो हम नंबर को 0 से या 0 को नंबर से, तो हमारा हमेशा प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? 0. ठीक, अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ इन अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन सम वी कैन राइट एनी नंबर फर्स्ट. हम किसी भी नंबर को फर्स्ट रख सकते हैं. क्लास सी 3 multiplied by 6 या 6 multiplied by 3. आंसर, द आंसर इज सेम. हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? सेम होगा. 5 multiplied by 4 20 और 4 multiplied by 5 20. So the answer is same. Understand class? Now class, see the terms of multiplication. Now 7 multiplied by 4 28 is written as 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. Now here 7 is the multiplier. 7 क्या होगा? हमारा multiplier होगा. The number by which another number is multiplied, 4 is the multiplicand. और 4 क्या है? इसका multiplicand है. Multiplicand. Okay. And the number is being multiplied. 28 is the product. So जिससे हम multiply कर रहे हैं, multiplier, second number is multiplicand and third number is product. जो हमारा आंसर होता है वो क्या होता है? हमारा प्रोडक्ट होता है, the result of the multiplication. So 7 is multiplier, 4 is multiplicand and 28 is product. Okay. Now come on the exercise 7.2. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Now class 0 है हमारा प्रोडक्ट, तो हम किसी भी नंबर को या किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या 0 को किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट होता है वो क्या होता है? 0. ऑलवेज 0. नाउ 60, अब हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, द नंबर इटसेल्फ 68, अगेन 0, तो हम 0 से ही मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ 0 zeros are 0. अब देखिए क्लास, हमारा प्रोडक्ट और जो नंबर है वो इटसेल्फ, इट मींस यहाँ पर 1 0 अगेन, सो 0. 75 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 1 1. 169 multiplied by 1 169. Understand? Now class, question number 2, complete the following. Now 4 is multiplier, 2 is multiplicand, 8 is product. Now 5 is multiplier, and 3 is multiplicand. And 15 is product. Now 6 multiplier, 2 is multiplicand. Multiplicand. Now 12 is product. Understand? Rest of the parts do yourself class. Now class, multiplication table 1 to 10. Multiplication table 1 to 10. Class see, this is a table of 1, table of 2, table of 3, table of 4, table of 5, table of 6, table of 7, table of 8, table of 9, and the table of 10. Class, in multiplication you have to learn the tables, so you have to learn these tables properly. Okay. Now class, see the multiplication chart. See, अब यहाँ पर 1 to 10 यहाँ ऐसे वर्टिकली नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं और यहाँ पर हॉरिजॉन्टली. ओके, नाउ सी 1. Class C, it is a table of 1, table of 2, table of 3, 4. You can see table of 5, table of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Class, अगर आप इसको ऐसे वर्टिकली देखते हैं तो ये क्या है, टेबल्स हैं, और हॉरिजॉन्टली देखते हैं तो भी यहाँ पर एक टेबल है. सी 2 का टेबल 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 एंड 10. ओके, नाउ vertical multiplication. We can also write the multiplication facts vertically. 6 fours are 24, can also be written as 6 fours are 24. Now, come on the exercise 7.3. Now, find the products with the help of multiplication table chart. Now, 8 eights are C. Class 8 eights are C4. Now, 6 eights are C. 6 eights are 48. Okay, now class, you can see the vertically also. 6 8s are 48. The answer will same. 6 8s are 48. Now class, rest of the parts do yourself. Now class, multiplication of 2-digit numbers without carrying. Without carry. Now example, multiply 14 by 2. We have to follow some steps given below. Write the numbers in columns. Like this. Write 2 below 14 as shown. 2 below 14 as shown. Multiply 4 ones by 2. 4 ones multiplied by 2 is equal to 8 ones. Write 8 under ones column like this. Now step 3. Multiply 1 tens by 2. Now 1 tens multiplied by 2. 2 tens. Write 2 under tens column. See. Now 14 multiplied by 2 is equal to 28. The product is 28. Now see class, this is multiplier and this is multiplicand and it is product. Okay. Now let us multiply 23 by 3. Now step 1. Firstly, we have to arrange the numbers in column. Now write 23. Now write 3 below 23 as shown. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So the product is 69. Now class, tell me, it is multiplier, it is multiplicand and it is product. Now multiplication of 2-digit numbers with carry. Now class, multiply 26 by 3. Now we have to follow some steps given below. Arrange the numbers and multiply once. 6 3s are 18. Here 6 3s are 18. Step 2. Regroup and carry 1 tens to 1 10 to tens. Now here 18 ones 1 tens plus 8 ones. Step 3rd. Now multiply tens and add carry 1 tens after multiplication. 26 3s are 78. Now see 6 plus 1 7. Okay. Now so the product is 26 multiplied by 3 is equal to 78. Now let us multiply 46 multiplied by 4. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns. Now 6 4s are 4 6 are 24. 4 2 carry. Now 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18. The answer is 184. Come on the exercise 7.4. Multiply the following. 4 2s are 8. 4 8s are 32. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Just do the questions carefully and write the digits carefully. Okay. Now, rest of the parts, do yourself. See the word problems now. Example number 1. There are 5 leaf stalks. Each stalk has 7 leaves. How many leaves are there together? Okay. How many leaves are there all together? 7 5s are 35. So the answer is 35. Now a book has 25 pages. How many pages are there in 3 books? एक बुक में 25 पेजेस और 3 बुक्स में कितने होंगे? 3 5s आर 15, 5 कैरी 1, 3 2s आर 6 प्लस 1 7. So 75 pages. Answer is 75. Okay. Now class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well. Learn the tables properly. And we will meet you in next class. Thank you.